drive them old trucks, make them be doctors, lawyers, and such. Mama,
let your babies grow up to be cowboys.
they'll never stay home and they're always alone, even with someone they love. Cowboys ain't easy to love, and they're harder to hold. They'd rather give you a song than diamonds and gold. Lone Star belt buckles and old faded Levi's, and each night begins a new day. And if you don't understand him and he don't die young, he'll probably just ride away.
Babies grow up to be cowboys.
Young big guitars and driving old trucks, make them be doctors and lawyers and such. Mama! They'll never stay home and they're always alone, even with someone they love. Cowboys like smoky old pool rooms and clear mountain mornings, little warm puppies, the children and girls of the night. Them that don't know him won't like him, and them that do sometimes won't know how to take it. He ain't wrong, he's just different, but his pride won't let him do things to make you think he's right. Mama!
Babies grow up to be cowboys.
Don't let them pick guitars and drive them old trucks, make them be doctors and lawyers and such. Mama!
Don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys.
They'll never stay home and they're always alone, even with someone they